It's me, Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used machinery such as clicker presses, punches, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, water jets, welders, and much more since 1954. Today I'm going to show you the difference between a few different clicker presses. Now there's a lot of them out there, and first of all, the word clicker is a little confusing. What does that even mean? It's literally because that's the sound you're going to hear as this hydraulic clicker press is going to be coming down. After each time, it basically makes a little click, hence they named it clicker presses. There is a difference between clicker presses, as you'll see here. This is called a sliding bed clicker press, which makes it really easy for you to go ahead, pull your parts out, set everything up, pull your pieces out, put your new material back on, bring it all in, and run your piece. You can see, of course, we have no dies in here right now. Just want to show you how smooth everything runs on this guy. But after each set, you'd be pulling your piece out, get everything handled again, push it back in, and do it again. Now this is a really great way if you have a large bed and a large die or multiple pieces that you want to run down. There's also something like this. This is a dual-headed clicker press. You're going to have each one of these individual heads be able to pull and move, and you can set up two different jobs. You can even have two people working on them at the same time. Let's go to just this single head right in the front. Now we sell these new as well as used. We work with APMC. They're a great company, been around for a very long time. This is the standard basic clicker press that you're going to find most companies are going to have for leather working, plastic, foam, anything small. Just going to be standard right here. Swing back and forth, put your pieces in. So the choice is standard single head, double head. You can get up to this sliding bed. And here's even another one that has a roll that can roll the pieces in and automatically cut in there. Everything's going to depend on the feed, how much production you're going to be doing, and how much work you're going to be doing on these machines. Now, if this is the type of machine you're looking for, if you need something, let us know what type of dies you're looking for. We can help you out with that as well. We'll work with the manufacturer and make sure you get the right machine for you. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com or give us a call at 626-444-0311. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.